today I'm going to make a video with Harsh Pandey and Dhurvi Trivedi. I'm going to ask some questions to both of you. So I hope you will do your best. Happy Harsh Pandey, where are you from?
So I am from MP.
You are from MP. Yes, Dhurvi, where are you from?
I'm from Gujarat.
That's great. You are from Gujarat. That sounds good. Dhurvi, do you know about the parts of speech in English?
Yes, sir.
And do you know about the tenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you know about the question tags?
Yes, sir.
We add a question tag at the end of the statement to confirm the statement, is it correct or not, or do you agree or not? So we use negative question tag with a positive statement or a negative statement. Yes, please answer dijiye. We add a negative question tag with a positive statement or a negative statement.
Positive.
Yes, definitely. Yes, we always use a negative question tag if the statement is positive. Harsh Pandey, if the statement is negative, then question tag would be positive or negative?
So positive.
Positive. Yes, definitely. If the statement is negative, question tag must be positive. Haan bhai Dhurvi, do we use the same tense in the question tag as per the sentence, as per the tense of the statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys, we are not supposed to change the tense of the question tag. The tense of the question tag must be as per the tense of the statement, as per the tense of sentence. Yes, I would like to add you a question tag. Harsh Pandey, you are my brother. Add a question tag.
Aren't you?
Oh, definitely. Dhurvi, you are my sister. Add a question tag.
Aren't you?
Aren't you? Okay. She is my mother. Add a question tag, Dhurvi.
Isn't she?
Okay. He's not my father. Add a question tag. Harsh Pandey. He's not my father. He is not my father.
Is he?
Yes, definitely. Is he? So when we add a question tag, the question tag must starts with auxiliary verb. If the statement is positive, we use a note to make the contraction like that. Isn't he? Isn't she? Aren't they? Weren't we? Haven't? Hasn't? Don't? Didn't? Won't? Like that. No. Question tag always starts with a contraction of helping verb and note if note is required there. Understood, Abachchi? So any doubt about the question tags? I think in the class I taught you very well about the question tags. If you have any doubt to both of you, you can ask to me. Definitely, I'll let you know more about the question tags. Any doubt?
No, sir. We don't have doubt.
No, sir.
Yes, sahi bola bachche, pura sentence banaya karo. No, sir, we don't have any doubt. Okay. Yes, guys, English is all about the game of sentences. And if you don't know how to make sentences, then there is no use of these classes. I'm here so that you can learn. Understood? Thank you so much. And best of luck to both of you.